beautiful Saturday morning. Well, actually not morning, it's like 11 p.m. What am I talking? In today's video, I want to do 150 burpees with a stopwatch as fast as possible. And then later I will show you super low calorie, super high in protein pumpkin cheesecake. Oh yeah, but first let's get active. Hey, last time I did it in 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Of course, not in one go. No. Why burpees? Why not just push-ups? Well, because burpees is a perfect full body workout. It's good for your shoulders, for your chest, for your cardio, vascular system. It builds mental toughness, because as soon as you will feel, okay, I'm tired, there might be a willpower. Do you want to continue and finish it as fast as possible? Or you want to just quit because, oh no, it's too hard. Burpee is a real motherfucker. I will also do some time lapse so you don't have to watch the whole thing. So we need to remember about technique. Full extension with our legs. Yeah, that's legs. Today it's a legs. Nice. You can join me and test yourself how much you can do until you feel like you're actually tired. It's an amazing test, man. You will be glad afterwards, 100%. But if you're eating something now, set an alarm for tomorrow morning and do it in the morning. Dude, this is such a great start of the day. Just in case if you don't know how to do burpee. Nice. Warming up and less fire. It's gonna be super hot, so I'm pretty sore, to be honest, after yesterday's dips and pull-ups with weights. But I guess if I will do it in 14 minutes 29 seconds, I will be like woohoo, woohoo. But if no record, I will say, well, it's all about the game. It's all about the competition. It's not about the competition. It's about participation. Yeah? Okay, less, more action. That's 40 in one go. That's not that hard. It's just breathing. 50, 55? 70. Ooh. If I can continue 15, like 15, if I can do 15 all the time, I might hit a new record, man. Wow, 90? Wow, 7 minutes, 39 seconds. My legs are on fire, dudes. It's 1:05 now. Yeah, new record. I actually felt a little bit demotivated while walking to this spot because, like I said, I'm sore after yesterday's workout, but hey, nice. Pump check. Be careful with doing burpees every day, because this is how you might look like. I feel amazing. Alright, let's make this high protein pumpkin pie cheesecake. So 180 Celsius oven. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just a few ingredients. Let's go. Greek yogurt, 2 eggs. The good stuff, not all of it. Baking powder, protein powder, defrosted pumpkin from the previous video. Oh boy, I didn't expect that. And I decided to try cocoa powder. Because why not? I'm 100% sure it's gonna be just delicious. And even better. And you can use whisk, but I'm smarter than you, so I'm gonna use blender. Blend? Oh, what? Delicious. Pumpkin in a blender. Dude, this looks like peaches. How much pumpkin? How the fuck do I know? So this blender cup is 75 milliliters. We're gonna use almost a whole cup because once we blend it, it's gonna look like, well, like it's less. I'm such a good explanator. See? Almost forgot. It's not a pumpkin thing if we don't add any cinnamon. Oh yeah. Spoon. Well, I would say 4 tablespoons. 2, 3, like a big tablespoons. 4. Just switch from this to this and use this as a teaspoon of baking powder. Like a real drug addict. Cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon. I'm not lying. And now scoop of protein powder. I'm sure any protein powder is okay, especially if it's sweet. Maple flavor. Oh, vanilla probably one of the classic ones. But hey, I gotta try this new one. It's pretty full. It's like you can add banana if your blender is bigger. Go for it. My favorite part, no flour. That's enough. Oh yeah, raw egg. I'm gonna bake it 20-25 minutes in the oven. Put it in the fridge, and in the morning, this high protein dessert will be my breakfast. Use coconut oil, so you're not fat, motherfucker. Chocolate a little bit? Why not? Dark chocolate. 90% dark chocolate, almost 0 sugar. For this piece, we're gonna have like 0.5 grams of sugar. Well, you look at that. Man, you look delicious. Alright, go to hell. Oh yeah. No way. No way, you look so delicious. And smell. Oh yeah. Yesterday this fork was still wet when I tried it, so I put this for 10 more minutes. Let's try our cheesecake. Yes, of course, with the paper. With the small pieces of dark chocolate, dude. Holy sisters. This dessert will keep you lean, will keep you shredded, will help you to lose weight. Pumpkin is very low calorie. Very low calorie. 12 was 30, 40. Bro, that's like almost 60 grams of protein in this guy. And I'm gonna kill it right now in the morning. Thank you for being here. See you in the next episode.